Hi, Namaste children. Welcome back to English class. Children, in our previous class we discussed about your sixth lesson, that is the tree spirit. After that lesson we discussed about exercise part also, it was completed. Then let us go to the poem which is there after that sixth lesson, that is storyboard. Now I am going to share that storyboard poem on your screen. Please look at your screen. Yes, this is the poem Storyboard. This poem is written by Bobby Kardge. Bobby Kardge. Her name is here. Downside you see Bobby Katz. Kardge. Bobby Kardge. It is name of a lady. She is lady. That poet is lady. She is from USA, United States of America. From that country, she has written so many stories for children, stories and poems for the children. One of her poem is here. This is storyboard. Okay, this poem is written by Bobby Kardge. Her photo I am going to share on screen now. So keep on looking at the screen. Yes, she is Bobby Kardge from USA country. Bobby Kardge from USA. Okay, so please look at her face properly, and she is the poet. She has written that poem Storyboard. Then let us go to the poem now. Children, in my today's class, just I am going to sing this poem to you, and after singing, I will give you the meanings of this poem. Later, I will share all the meanings to your WhatsApp group. Those you can copy into your English CW. And in my next class, I will explain to you this poem, and also I will give questions and answers of this poem. So please look at your screen. Storyboard. Listen carefully. It's time to read a story, so climb aboard with me. And we can sail a storyboat across a magic sea. We can visit jungles or rub noses with a bear. We can visit any place and sail to anywhere. We can learn a lot of stuff from sailing storyboards, like how to ride on elephants or how skunks got striped coats. Fourth paragraph. Fourth stanza you see here, fourth stanza, not paragraph. So for stories we are calling them paragraphs. When we come to the poems, we call them stanzas. Okay, you see, this is first stanza, second stanza, third stanza, and it is fourth stanza. Now I am singing fourth stanza. We can meet a bunch of kids that we will be glad to know. And when the summer gets too hot, we will sail in seas of snow. This poem is written by Bobby Kardge. Once again I will sing this poem. Listen carefully. Storyboard, first stanza. It's time to read a story, so climb aboard with me. And we can sail a storyboat across a magic sea. We can visit jungles or rub noses with a bear. We can visit any place and sail to anywhere. We can learn a lot of stuff from sailing storyboards, like how to ride on elephants or how skunks got striped coats. We can meet a bunch of kids that we will be glad to know. And when the summer gets too hot, we will sail in seas of snow. This poem is written by Bobby Kardge. Now I am going to share those meanings, new words meanings on your screen. Please look at your screen. Yes, look at it. First one, aboard, A-B-O-A-R-D, aboard means ship or a boat. Ship or a boat, it is called as aboard. Sail means floating on the water. Sailing, we call it. Boats will be sailing on the water. Ship will be sailing on the water. Sail, we call it. S-A-I-L, sail. Not S-A-L-E, sail. It is S-A-I-L, sail. It means float. Next, third one, stuff. S-T-U-F-F, stuff. Stuff means things. There were so many stuffs in that toy shop. Stuffs means things. Things were there in the shop. Next, fourth one, skunks. S-K-U-N-K-S, skunks. It means animal which lives in North and South America. It is a name of the animal, name of an animal, skunk. So that's picture I will show to you, then you will come to know which is that skunk. Please look at your screen now. Yes, here it is, you see. This is skunk. On its body there is a white stripe. See properly that? Okay. It has stripes on its body. Stripes, back side, that side also one it will be there, this side also it will be there. So this is a skunk. It will be seen in the North America and South America continents. North America, South America, they are the names of continents, you know them. Out of 7 continents, they are also 2 continents. Okay, North America and South America. In those continents, we can see these kind of animals. They are skunks. S-K-U-N-K-S. Skunks, we call them. One more image also it is there. Look at its body. 2 stripes are there. See, they are stripes. ಅಂದರೆ ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ, ವೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅದರ ದೇಹದ ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಪ್ಸ್, ವೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಪ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಕಂಕ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದೆಮ್. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, stripes. It means already I told you, stripe. So fifth one, striped. It means spots which will be there on the body of that animal, skunk. So that it will be marked with white color, and white and black color will be there on the skunk's body. So that is a stripe, we call it. S-T-R-I-P-E, stripe. So striped animal it is, skunk. And the last one, bunch. B-U-N-C-H. Bunch means group. Okay, bunch of grapes we call, bunch of grapes, or bunch of banana. Okay, banana bunch we call it, so in that too many bananas together, one bunch it will be called as. Key bunch. Key bunch, you know the word key bunch? Yes. So that is bunch, group, nothing but group. Okay, these are the meanings. I will share these meanings to your WhatsApp group now. You can take down in your CW, and its explanation and questions and answers we can discuss in our next class. Okay, take care children, have a nice day.